The boys are gearing up. We are back. And this time with double D's. We got Dirk and Dan together. Woo, the very first time. So we are back in the Blue Mountains. We're gonna walk the Fortress Ridge Trail. Not a long trail, but a lot of side trails to do and a lot of exploring.
I'm putting all this on, then I'll have to try and bend.
The only problem is that we had to park the car about almost 4 kilometers back from the trail where the trailhead is. So we have to walk for an hour longer than we planned to do, unfortunately. But beautiful day, low wind. So here we go. All ready, boys?
Yep. All right.
Fantastic. All right, we finally made it to the trailhead, the Fortress Ridge track. It's not a long one, but we're going to do some side trips and explore the area a bit. All right, guys. Back up. Here we go. So we're already getting our first views. We're just in 100 meters into the trail. We just dropped our packs and we're walking to a lookout. It's called the Fortress Rock Lookout.
Nice waterfall down there. Why do you
It's,
always bring me to these places, G?
Oh,
Look
yes.
at that waterfall, man. The cave might be down here.
Yeah, I think so. On that side. Yeah.
Think about staying in a cave though.
That is the main ridge that we're going to follow. So next trail we have a look at takes us to a rock overhang of a cave.
Oh, we
No, I'll leave him here.
going.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's called the Dark's Cave, if I'm not mistaken. I believe a family used to live there in the 1950s, and some of their belongings are still there, and visitors are requested not to touch it, to leave things as they are. So we're going to have a look. A little bit of a maze here. It looks like it's a trail. Wow. Yes. I think we're in agreement that it is a little bit longer than what it looks like on the map. But it's a very, very cool trail following this valley, which is almost becoming a canyon.
Very well.
Yeah, the track is quite well defined, but it keeps on going.
It was just the first part of it, wasn't it? Even then, that was the fucker. Where I went,
I diverted a little bit just to check this out.
Here we are. We're going a long way. Stuff like that.
yeah, that's a nice
Huh?
bedroom in here.
It's a bit secluded.
Oh, I reckon like 4 game and everything there.
But look how big it is.
It's not, this is the first one.
And you probably have to keep on following this. Wow, awesome though. So we think this is a Dr. Dark's cave. Not 100% sure,
But it's supposed to be like.
but it's definitely an epic feature. Here's the cave. Wow. Look at this.
There's the backgammon board.
So I'm just going to explore a little bit past the Dr. Dark's cave.
Spider-Man.
Dirko would not go that way.
Ever since my spider
He
bite,
would be jammed between the rocks.
I've developed
Yeah.
these new skills.
There's Dirko.
Brother, where are you? I've been Instagramming
Wow.
all by myself.
Look at this.
How good is it look?
Oh my god.
How good.
Yes.
That's amazing, yeah. You can keep going too.
Yeah.
I haven't gone too far, I've got to be scared.
Yeah.
That looks sick, eh?
Wow. Yes. Oh, that's way more impressive than what I've seen in the footage.
There's the waterfall.
Yeah.
Well, we are down, aren't we?
Yeah, we were standing somewhere here to the left.
Oh, might be able to go a bit further.
It's not designed for people taller than 1.75 m.
Look at the limbo. Oh yeah.
Ah, no, it is.
This could be the end of the road for me. Oh. I'll hit my back in a minute. Oh. Lucky we don't have packs on.
Close up from Dirko's behind.
Yeah, good one too, isn't it? Look at that.
Let's pan away to the valley.
Oh yeah. Ah, still going. Ramble way.
Man, that's awesome.
Just nice and tight on there. Oh,
There's Dan.
well, I'm going to get mine up.
Hey, this not too shabby, isn't it?
I did a little bit of Spider-Man action.
That is.
That was well worth the detour.
Pretty epic. Look at that overhang. That looks sick. Look at that river. We were up on here, I think. Yeah, just there.
So.
Didn't even look down at this point.
Yeah.
That's pretty epic.
There's the Pano shop.
Oh
It's
wow.
LA.
Oh, that
Panorama
was sick.
shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now to that. Wow, that looks sketchy, eh?
Oh, no, I'm not doing that bit.
No, I'm not going either.
I'm not risking life and limb for that.
I might. But I'll just switch it out.
It's fine, Dirko.
It's sweet, Kurt. It's easy.
Wow, this is amazing. What a views. Yeah, I did not expect it to be that spectacular.
This is awesome, man. Wow.
It's yeah, kind of, but once you're around that corner, the view will not change.
Yeah.
You're steering in the same valley, and there's a bit more shaded that area. So that's Daniel.
Nice.
He's loving it in this element here.
That was awesome.
Well sent. Wasn't this low on the way here?
So viewers, you will see Dirk from behind again,
Oh, I swear it's gotten lower.
but it must be his best part, best side.
Look at those calves, mate.
Hey, look at this! Look at this car! Shit!
Look at those calves.
Yeah, we need to do some drug testing here.
Wow. That's it, that's all you get.
That's off the scale, man.
Those cows look like my thighs.
Look at them.
Where am I
Bye-bye.
going? Can I stand up yet? No. Oh.
Just go a bit more to the right.
We got that's a little bit too close for comfort, hey?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. So we're walking back now to
I'm alright. Long as I'm
the Doctor's Dark Cave. Very spectacular.
It's just free climb. I love watching all the free climbing. Oh, I could go over on that. That looks wet. Oh, yeah. Oh, I feel like I'm back at Canberra. Oh. Hey, that was a bit wet on the right.
The difference is it's only for a few seconds.
Oh, now that's right. Good. Where is it going again? Always goes the hard route. I'm back in the old man.
The awesome engravings. Wow. What a spotty. Just walking a little bit away to get a bit of a perspective of the size of it. Massive overhang.
We've got a 100-year guarantee.
Yeah,
It's a Kiwi brand,
yeah.
100 years.
So this apparently are the previous belongings from the family that lived here in the 1950s, I believe. Don't know for how long, I think for a few years though.
What's it called? Dirty days. Dirty.
I think of all the other places on the, you know, Katoomba up there's a million. We come out here to accept that group.
I hate going through sisters.
There's no people here.
Because you
You
get the
know?
most
Yeah.
reviews, yes, but you've got.
There's a nice spotty here. Well protected from the elements.
I'm going to back up the hill now. I'll
Yep.
just squeeze through here again.
Alright, when I walk back, get the packs and then we're gonna follow the main trail again. Yeah, you have to go on a diet, Dirk.
It's alright, I'm only joking.
You're scraping your nipples.
You can actually get along.
So we just came back from the Dark's Cave. Picked up the packs, continue with the main trail. It's only a few kilometers left. The detour to the Dark's Cave is worthwhile. It's a bit longer than we expected. Come on, boys.
Get in there.
There's the first D. Dirko. And D number 2. Dan the man.
Oh, mountains. Yeah, like proper big soft surf. I like it. I like these ones. It's just
Okay.
they're on the Strava.
Yeah, yeah. I've looked offline. Yeah.
So we think that it's Fortress Hill. It takes us to a plateau with some good views.
Oh, yeah.
Hello! Or I forget, Dirk and I are gonna do an epic walk in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that one. Looking for a spot for lunch.
I think if you take it out of
Look at this bloke. Jesus,
God.
who brought this guy along?
olives.
We need him in Tassie.
Absolutely.
I wonder if I should get my hammer set. I might say that.
I'm not a big fan of olives, but
Hmm.
look at that. Cheeses.
asking if you
Oh, you
want.
got your smelly cheese again.
Yep.
Oh no!
Mm.
Oh my god.
I'm downwind, so it's okay.
I've got two cheeses. That one's smelly and that one's really smelly.
A little fire.
Alright, we're probably gonna make this camp for tonight.
A little fireplace. Not that there's any firewood around here, but
No,
I don't think we've got a fire. But
So if I go to Google Maps, that's going to tell me stuff.
yeah, that is an awesome spot.
some loose rocks in here. Holy shit! Hope I don't sleepwalk.
Oh, lucky if we got weather, man.
Wow.
Look at that rock face over there.
That is cool, eh? That is cool.
How's it going?
Hey. Nice.
Take the layer off now. Now the wind, that's the difference, isn't it? No wind down here.
Alright, some warning signs here. Route only, no marked tracks. Oh, that's pretty cool. Where are the boys? This is a very spectacular side trail. Wow. We are on the trail that takes you to the Fortress Falls. Waterfall at the end of this trail. But it's a fairly technical trail. Hence the warning sign in the beginning of the trail. You know, taking it easy and it's dry, so should be okay. Where does it go?
Down here.
Yeah.
Dirk.
Oh man, the gift that keeps on giving. Wow. You know, towards the waterfall, we should be fairly close, but I was following the wrong trail initially. Right. Quite a tacky trail.
He did no interest in catching up anyone.
Scoot is all dry at the moment. Can imagine in the wet it would be very slippery.
Sure if he pulled anything off or not. But he had,
Oh wow. We're not the only one here. I saw someone coming from that side.
Oh really? From that side?
Yeah, that person just came up.
Yeah, I'm just looking at that. Yeah.
Somewhere here. So we're here at the waterfall. It's quite spectacular. You can't see much of the waterfall apart from the little pools in front of it where we're sitting.
I'll get a photo of that. Oh. Can you get us all in?
Oh, I think so.
all the dirt trees that used to be a national park in the village side. You're a whole side.
Pretty funny.
You look really relaxed, man.
Well, we're slowly gonna walk back to the packs. I'm gonna look for a camp spot. But that was really epic. So far the walk has been absolutely fantastic. Great features. We're lucky with the weather, obviously, not much wind. A little bit on the top of the range, you can feel the wind rolling over, but hopefully that dies off later in the afternoon. Hey boys!
That was cool. That's what I can film that. Where's the disabled?
Or you just go down.
I'll go down here.
Just, yeah, just go along there.
Yeah, that's alright.
I didn't see G.
Hello!
How cool was that? Like,
I was standing up that rock there. This is spectacular, isn't it?
There's an easy track along here.
Yeah, I'll come up here. I can jump across here.
All right. Oh man, it's awesome. This is epic.
Oh yeah, we're back in a minute. Start in. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, people walk here.
Cool up there. See where the sun is?
Ooh. Oh,
Oh!
stay on there.
Where you going? Don't worry about your camera. Oh, this is where you can
Ah.
the water.
Yes.
You've got to wade across.
Yeah, so here's where canyons, the slot canyon starts.
Look up there.
Man.
This is where they say, yeah, you get in the water and you've got to swim across to the next bit. Oh, something to do next time.
Yeah.
We're doing our podcast this way. Pretty quickly? Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, cool. It's not like it's only shallow, it's a beach up there. It's always good to wear colours.
Yeah.
And you always say, wear something nice and dry.
Go down, check it out. Exactly. Strip it out. Yeah. But this is going deeper, you see?
The visual immunity. Wow. Woo! I'm gonna roll my pants up a bit. I don't know why, but they're all gonna get wet. Whole bone. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Your shirt's getting wet, right? Yeah, oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
Kijk dieper.
It's cold.
Fuck me.
But it's beautiful here.
Oh, that's cold. Come on, Deco. Yeah, beautiful.
It's pretty cool.
I need to wee.
I think you're way to go, but no.
Yeah.
Big stick in my way.
Beautiful, eh?
And I need to do that again without a half-naked Dutchman in front of me.
With the sexy legs.
A half-naked Dutchman in front of me.
We're back at the top of this ridge. What an afternoon! Beautiful, not too cold, not too warm, no wind. Okay, so I'm waiting for Dan and Dirk. So the waterfall, that whole area was fantastic. Worthwhile going down the gnarly trail. When we got there were maybe a dozen or so people, but most of them were actually starting to leave. And yeah, maybe after 15 minutes we had the waterfall area for ourselves for maybe a good half an hour or so.
Yeah. Cross.
Go. Is that level? Yeah, nice. So they say you heat up some oil. How much?
I turned it down a bit so
Yeah.
the smoking was too hot.
Yeah. Just pour it all in if you hold it down, yeah.
Might be too hot.
guys want some courgette? I've got plenty.
This won't have any salt in it at all.
Yeah, I love salt.
I love salt.
What for dinner, Dan?
We've got
That sausage or the
Corella coconut curry with steak, lamb
Okay,
steak,
curry.
and courgette.
Yum 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 yum.
And with the view.
Yes.
Salty.
Now,
Everything. And
rice.
but wait, there's more.
Pre-cooked rice.
Wow.
Yum 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 yum. Set up camp. It's gonna be an easy one for me. Just water easy. Boys have salad stomach medicine. Done. Boys going. Nice. Circus stand is back in town, hey? Back in town. No cold things. Dutch Army Divi. Staked it out. And if you put some stuff on the side, actually the hook will stay upright as well.
Is that a swing bag, isn't it?
It is, but what I do is I put it on here. And then I don't have to, then I don't squeak, and you know how you sleep on one of these, and I slip around a lot. It insulates me a bit, and it just stops on that, and I just get on this, it's just like I'm sleeping on a tree.
We're going back to this awesome lookout to watch the sunset, and it's looking promising.
hasn't come up yet from the light. You know, like the nice orange. You know, when you take photos, man, the light.
It all depends.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I hope it does. It's pretty amazing stuff. Love it.
Just.
Oh, just a sip, eh? He's drunk. Look, he's drunk half the bottle.
Can't control himself, this fella.
Quite nice.
Yeah, that's
There you go.
I mean, that's Negroni. The bottle's different. It's just yeah.
It's a little bit sweet.
It's about to go with the sun. Your Yeti shorts is highlighted by the sun.
Yeah.
We're making hot chocolate with milk powder. Use a lot, but they obviously discharge really quick. But donut. Get it on top.
Oh, yeah, smoke it. Oh, I turn it around.
Yeah?
Maybe that worked.
Oh, something's burning.
Hopefully, a cooker's got.
No donut. Oh, it's fresh.
Yum, yum, yum.
I can
Here we are inside the BV with my little light. Alright guys, that was an awesome day. Catch you tomorrow. Dirko, do you have room for two?
Yeah, I'm full, sorry.
Oh, full booked. Alright. Nighty night.
Still terrible.
Morning neighbors.
Morning.
It's going to be a glorious day.
Another one.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah. Wake up the neighbors. Yeah, it's expanding his. How's it going?
Yeah, I didn't set up my tent very well because it's facing the wrong direction.
Yeah.
So I've just had to leave the tent, but I'm not quite ready to get out of the sleeping bag.
Oh, sleeping bag looks nice.
Yeah, it's a good one.
The warm one, eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
There you go. That's ooh. Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Clean up in here.
Oh man. All
organised.
Yep.
Slowly.
Already.
Already. Nearly.
Good stuff.
When I get out, I get out.
Yep.
I don't want to crawl back in.
There's the sun somewhere on the horizon.
Eventually got over the Sydney crowds too. I got
Same.
You know, I'd go away, let's say to Fresno or something. Away.
sunshine.
That was part of the adventure though.
Everything under control, Dirko.
What's that?
Look at you, man. So organized, man. It's scary.
Organised. Oh, good.
The other cool thing about that adventure was we got there and we hadn't got shuttles before. Have you been to Trailer Horse?
Oh yeah.
Nope.
7K downhill.
Alright then. All packed.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, nice.
Canterbury.
Survived another weekend with the boys. The boys, it was a great weekend.
Sweet ass.
Yeah,
Yo.
pretty awesome trail. None of us has been here before, so it was a bit of a surprise. Worthwhile doing if you live in the area. But guys, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Peace.
See you in Tassie.
Peace out. Oh yes, don't give it away though.
Oh, sorry. Cut that. Preview for next week.
Yes. All right. Dirk and I going to do a big trip in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned.